Have you ever wondered what goes on in the minds of millionaires? What secrets do they know that could unlock your own path to success? Well, today we're going to explore how to download the brain of a millionaire. First, let's understand the mindset. Millionaires often share common traits: resilience, creativity, and a growth mindset. But how can you adopt these traits? Here are some steps. Step 1. Study the success stories. Read biographies, watch interviews, and consume content from those who have made it big. Learn how they overcame challenges, made decisions, and leveraged opportunities. Step 2. Educate yourself. Invest in your knowledge. Whether through books, online courses, or workshops, gaining financial literacy and entrepreneurial skills is crucial. Remember, knowledge is power. Step 3. Network like a millionaire. Surround yourself with ambitious individuals. Attend events, join mastermind groups, and connect with mentors who can guide you on your journey. Step 4. Implement and adapt. Take action on what you learn. Start small, measure your results, and don't be afraid to pivot. Millionaires are often great at adjusting their strategies based on what works and what doesn't. Lastly, cultivate a positive mindset. Practice gratitude, mindfulness, and visualization techniques. This will help you stay focused and motivated on your path to success. By downloading the brain of a millionaire, you're not just mimicking their success, but truly understanding the principles that can lead you to your own financial freedom. So go ahead, start your journey today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving your dreams. Together, let's unlock the millionaire mindset.